Hello, in this video we will discuss the day function of Excel. It calculates number of days between start date and end date. So here we have a start date and here we have an end date. If we want to know how many days are there between these 2 days, it can be calculated using days function equal to days. First end date will come because it will have a bigger value, comma, and the start date, bracket close, so it will return the number of days. We can use the function today as well to check the difference between any start day and today's date. And by the way, the today days is actually used, and where it is required that it should provide always updated number of days, because whenever you will open the Excel file, today function will update itself and use the date of that day, means date of the system of that day, equal to uh, days. Okay, so end date means today's date, so we will use the function today. Okay, so this is the format of, so it will automatically pick today's date of the system, your laptop or your computer, comma, the start date is the 2nd January, bracket close. So fr- from 2 Jan 22 till today, there are 416 days.